Have you ever heard of miracles so amazing they changed people's lives forever? Let me tell you about the incredible miracles of Hazrat Isa, peace be upon him. Long ago, there was a man who couldn't see. He had been blind his whole life. But then Hazrat Isa, peace be upon him, came to help him. Through God's power and Hazrat Isa's prayers, the man was healed. For the very first time, he could see the beautiful world around him. Imagine seeing colors, trees, and the faces of people you love for the first time. There was also a man who was very sick with a terrible disease called leprosy. People were afraid to go near him. But Hazrat Isa, peace be upon him, showed him kindness and compassion. Through a miracle from God, the man was completely healed. His skin became healthy again, and he could return to his family and friends. The most amazing miracle of all was when Hazrat Isa, peace be upon him, brought someone who had passed away back to life. Can you imagine? Through God's power and Hazrat Isa's prayers, life returned, like flowers blooming in spring. It showed everyone that nothing is impossible with faith. Hazrat Isa, peace be upon him, taught people important lessons about forgiveness through these miracles. When someone hurts us, we should forgive them, just like we want to be forgiven. Forgiveness makes our hearts feel light and happy. Hazrat Isa, peace be upon him, also taught us to help people who are hungry or in need. When we share our food and help others, we make the world a better place. Even small acts of kindness matter. So remember, kids, be kind to everyone, forgive those who hurt you, and always help people in need. When we show love and compassion, we create our own little miracles every single day.